I'm just trying to get this done. I don't need you imposing opinions just to distract me.
She's just as, if not more, distracting than I am.
She's not a distraction.
She's literally always here.
You're literally always here.
That's because I belong here. She does not.
Okay, she likes me. She can stay.
Well, she likes you. She's nice to you. You know what that actually is? She feels bad for you. You're pathetic.
She said I was funny.
You're funny. Oh, okay. Okay, Mr. Comedian. If you're so funny, why is she out there hanging out with so many other people all the time? You really think you're the only guy that she thinks is funny? Don't make me bring him up. You know she likes him.
I just need to get this done.
You know, she thinks about him. Probably even more than you think about her. When she's sad, she texts him. Go ahead, check your phone. See, no response. That's what I thought. See, if she cared about you, she would have responded by now, but no. See, she goes, cared about it. Maybe watch a movie together.
Okay, that's going too far.
I don't know, I was just getting started.
Shut up!